everyone, it's Super Creeper here. Welcome back to another video. Where today I'm gonna show you how to build something. So one of my builders just came in for this. Where am I placing this down? So I have all the items you need right here. So not all the items. I missed one of the items, but now I can put it because I'm playing on my tab. So what you need to do is step 1. Let's begin. Or you can pause it now and then in your Minecraft then pick all your items you need. So the one that I'm missing is a chiseled stone block. So put all the items and let's begin. Step 1. Watch carefully and then pause it, and then we're going to begin. And if you have done it, we're going to begin at step 2. Okay. Step 2. Redstone. Put the redstone down. Well, my iPad is a bit laggy because I'm playing on Samsung Galaxy. My nephew found a way to actually do it. So, step 3. Put the redstone compensator back. Okay, yeah, so please put down this. And remember to press it 1 time. If you don't do it, it isn't gonna work. Okay, step 4. Put down a upward dispenser. I was gonna say drop. Okay, step 5. Put a hopper. Remember to sneak and then put the hopper. Okay, step 6. Put the chest down. Remember, sneak, put the chest. Okay. Number 7. It's a bit weird to say that. So, make a wall. A wall. Make a wall. I already did that. I don't know why. So, I'm gonna make a wall very quickly. Why am I saying wall? Sorry, floor. Let me need the floor. So let me quickly make a floor. This one, 3. Very quickly. That's correct. Yes. And you also want behind the half. So that's one you need. Oh, it's chiseled stone bricks. Sorry guys. So bam. Do this. Bam. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's done. Or you can make it even bigger, which I'm gonna do right now. So, okay. So now put any carpets you want, blue, pink, any carpet. Place one down, so you can't see the dispenser, or you can, or you if you want to see, then it's your choice. So step. Okay, now not gonna say it anymore. Okay, so now place the button. You remember 2 blocks away from the carpet. On the second block, you put the button and show. Yep. So the work is done here. Now let's get away of all those things. Okay. Now I have armor on. I'm gonna show you guys what's gonna happen. So, oh yeah, I'm sneaking. So, open the chest. Am I still sneaking? Open the chest. Oh yeah, sorry guys, you need to do this. I don't know. So, okay. So open the chest and put your armor there. You see, it disappears. Where does it go? It goes in the hopper, and from the hopper goes in the dispenser. So, let me go on third person view and show you guys what's gonna happen. No! I'm so bad at this third person view. It's like, I don't even know. Okay, so stand on the carpet. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Press the button. Yes, this happens. So the dispenser throws the items away, and then it goes on you. Oh, look at that moon! Look at that moon! Oh, so if you're at a fight and you have to make a crash, the you're not gonna be able to do it. Then you can do it like this. Build one, and then you have it. So guys, I'm afraid I have to end this right now. So if you want to see more, then please leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe!